Hello,
Hey.
teacher.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi,
Hi, Anian, and how are you today?
I'm fine.
Good. Okay, we're going to wait a few minutes for Chi to join, okay? 4 minutes. Okay, we're going to start. Chi can come when she's ready. Okay, so today we're going to do TOEFL, step 2, book 3. And we're going to do reading. Okay, read the hints and circle the best answer. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's read here. Pyongni, you can read number 1.
Number 1. Is he an
Electric appliance.
an electric appliance? First is the pudding. It has the cold down inside the pudding.
It helps the air cool down inside the building.
Air cooling down inside the pudding.
Okay, what makes the air cool down? A heater, an air conditioner, or a refrigerator? Now, cool down means cold. You want to cool down air, cool down means cold.
B.
Yes, a heater makes air warm. Air conditioner makes air cool. Refrigerator is a appliance in the kitchen. It comes in the kitchen and it keeps your food and drinks cool, usually in the kitchen. Kitchen. Okay. Okay, Anian, you can read number 2.
2. Is a type of
Measurement.
measurement. Measurement is tells us how hot or cold a place or thing is.
The type of measurement
What
tells us how
is
hot or cold a place or thing is. What is it? Not what it is. What is it?
what it is?
It's a type of measurement that tells us if a place is hot or cold.
I think temperature.
Temperature. Temperature tells us if something is hot or cold. Departure means to leave. When you depart, you leave. And attempt is to try. Okay. Number 3 and 4. Pyongni, you can read number 3.
Teacher, this is a temperature
Scale.
scale. If the degree is 0,
If the degree is 0,
Gradus is 0. Its mean is a building curve. If it is
no, sweetie, let's read correctly. You're not reading correctly at all. It is a temperature scale. Okay, Pyongni, let's read there. It is a temperature scale.
is a temperature
Temperature
scale.
Scale.
Temperature scale.
If the degree is 0,
Is the degree 0?
if the
If
degree is 0,
the degree is 0,
it means
it means
it is freezing cold.
It's freezing cold.
If it is 100,
If it is 100,
it means it is boiling hot.
it means it's boiling hot.
Good.
Number 8.
Number 8, serious means you don't laugh, not to laugh. You won't laugh about it. Serious meaning. I just want to see if I can. Yeah. Okay, serious is it's difficult to explain. It's important. It's important, not a joke. You don't laugh at it. It's very important. It's serious. Celebrity, celebrity, a famous person. Everybody knows them. Celsius. Celsius is a temperature scale that we use to say how hot or cold it is. Okay. Okay, let's have Annie, number 4.
4. When the weather is like this, you cannot see things clearly because the thin water vapor is blocking to vision.
Okay.
The weather is clear.
When the weather is like this, you cannot see things clearly because the thick water vapor is blocking your vision. You can't see clearly.
Or bright.
Right? Okay, let me help you. It's foggy. Foggy means you can't see clearly. Clear means you can see clearly. There's nothing blocking your vision. Nothing blocking your vision. Bright, it's a very sharp. It's very sharp. It's very bright. And it's sharp. So foggy is your answer when it's foggy. Okay, read the weather forecast, then answer the questions. Let's make it smaller. You can see it better. Okay, earlier today, right now, and tonight. So earlier today was 26 degrees, hazy. Right now it's 20 degrees and hazy. Tonight's going to be 14, partly cloudy, chance of rain, 10%. Pyongni, which sentence is true? A, it was hotter earlier today than now. It was cooler earlier today than now. It will get hotter in the evening. Okay, here is now. Here is now. Now it is 22. Try again. Okay, Pyongni.
Yeah.
What's your answer? Okay, let's have a look. Which sentence is true? It was hotter earlier today. Hotter. It was hotter earlier today. This earlier. That's earlier. It's hotter. It was 26. This side is later. Later, colder, not hotter. That's number A. When the weather is hazy, what does hazy mean? Anian, look at number 2.
When the weather is hazy. You will have clear vision to see things outside.
If the weather is hazy, you can't see things clearly because of smoke, dust, or mist. You will have clear vision. No. The temperature will drop. No. So what's your answer number?
You can see things clearly because it's smoke, dust, or mist.
Because of, not if of. Good. Number 3, the chance of rain tonight. What's the chance of rain tonight? Pyongni, what's the chance of rain tonight? I can't hear, sweetie.
You can hear me?
Yes.
Number 3 is
Chance
I.
of rain tonight. Partly cloudy, chance of rain is 10%. Chance of rain is 10%. Pyongni, what's the chance of rain? It's 10%. What's the chance of rain? Unlikely, unlikely, unlikely. Okay, dear Mrs. Jackson or Miss Jackson. Okay, Anian, you can read there.
Dear Mr. Jackson, hello, my name is Shornali and I go to Sunshine High School. I am in grade 12 and I have to write a research paper about people who word is related
Related to weather.
To the weather. I read some your articles about weather. Article about weather, and I am very interested in becoming a
meteorologist.
In the future, do you think you could spend a while to meet with me or an interview if you are too busy to meet. Do you think it could answer some of my questions via email? I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you. Sincerely,
Jonah Lee. Good. Pyong-Lee,
Jonah.
what did Jonah write? Why did Jonah write to to Miss Jackson?
Why or what?
Say again.
You talk why or what? Or what?
Number 4. Pyong-Lee, read number 4.
Number 4, B. Number 4, B.
To ask her for an interview.
To ask her for an interview.
Interview. Good. Okay. And here number 5. What does Miss Jackson do for a living? What does Miss Jackson do for a living? Treats her patients in a hospital, delivers broadcast news, studies weather conditions.
B. Deliver broadcast news.
Okay, what is she talking about? She's saying, I'm in a Sunshine School. I'm a grade 12 student. I'm writing a research paper about people whose work is related to weather. Her work is related to weather. I'm interested to become a meteorologist. A meteorologist is not a broadcaster. She doesn't write things on the. She's not broadcasting news. Look here, here's your hint. People whose work is related to weather. I read your articles about weather and I want to be a meteorologist. What is she working with? Which words can you see there?
Me.
Weather, weather. What can you see there, Anian?
Weather.
Weather. So what's your number there?
C.
Yes,
Weather
she studies
condition.
weather. Good, you must make sure of your answer. She studies weather. There we go. Okay, now Pyong-Lee will read water instruments. I'll make it a little bit bigger for you. Okay, water instruments.
In order to measure the weather instruments such as a
Thermometer,
thermometer,
barometer,
a parameter,
a rain gauge,
a wheel brand, and a weather map are needed. A thermometer,
a thermometer,
the air temperature. When the air is hot. The liquid is the cold glass to be marked up. When when it's equal, it is what is the down.
Sweetie, no. You're reading very unclearly. I can't hear what you're saying. You need to read your words properly. A thermometer measures the air temperature. Try again.
A thermometer
Measures
measure the earth
temperature.
temperature. When the R
No, not R. It's not R. It's air. When the air.
when the air is hot, the liquid in the cold glass to be more
No, not to be. Glass tube.
glass to most up, and when it is cold, it went down.
It
It goes
No,
down.
there's no is. Where's the is? You have to read what you see, sweetie. It
goes down.
Yes. A barometer
A barometer
measures
of
air
air pressure. When the weather is sunny and dry, the pressure goes up. But when it rains or stormy,
but when it is
it is or
no, not e. When it is
when it is rain or
no, it's not rain. What's that word? It's not rain.
is when it is rain.
No, that's not rain. Rainy. You have to read properly to the end. Don't be lazy. When it is rainy, you are saying when it rain. If you're going to speak like that and you don't speak the words to the end and correctly, you are speaking a language on your own. That's not English. Nobody will be able to understand you. You have to say the words to the end. When it is rainy or stormy, it drops. Try again.
But when it is rainy or stormy, it draws.
No, not drops. Drops.
Drops.
There we go.
Drops.
Yes.
A rain
Gauge.
girl.
Gauge. Measures.
Measures the atmosphere.
No, not
breath.
as. Not as. There is not an S. The amount.
The amount of rain over a crater.
Certain. Youngni, can you hear me? Okay, Annie, and you can read there. Certain period of time.
certain period of time, and with vain determine the direction the wind is blowing. A weather map shows
Atmospheric conditions.
atmospheric condition of the Earth's surface.
Surface.
Meteorologists examine the weather map and predict the weather.
Predict.
Predict the weather.
Yes. What instrument is not used for measuring the weather? What do we not use to measure the weather?
I think the thermometer.
A thermometer measures the air temperature. A barometer measures the air pressure. A city map, a map of the city. Does that one measure the weather? A map of the city, does that one measure the weather? Which one does not?
No.
Which one does not measure the weather? Number?
Yeah.
Number?
B.
Yes, B, sweetie. B measures the weather. C measures the weather. I can't make it any more clearer. Which one does not measure the weather?
A city map.
A city map. A map cannot measure anything. It's a map. It's a piece of paper. It can't measure anything. Okay. What does a rain gauge do? A rain gauge. What does a rain gauge do? A, it measures the amount of rain. B, it finds out the direction of the wind. Or C, it measures the air temperature.
It measures the amount of rain.
Yes, there we go. It measures the amount of rain. What do meteorologists use weather maps for? What do they use the weather maps for?
To predict weather condition.
To predict the weather conditions. Weather conditions. Okay, now we're going to read about the volcano. Let's read here. Okay, let's read here.
A volcano is a volcano is a mountain with a lake hole at the top. When it is active, lava, which is extremely hot liquid rock,
Okay, sweetie,
Is
just wait there.
force-
Just pause there quickly for a minute. Let's just go up to page 83. Okay, and Nee can't connect to the internet. Let's just change the book for you. I want you to learn this together, so we can just do another book while we wait for them. But she can't connect to the Wi-Fi now at the moment. Let's do flyers. Flyers 1 speaking. Let's go to flyers 1 speaking. Okay. Yes, let's do this book first while we wait for them, because I need you to learn together. Okay, let's just see here quickly. Let's test 3. We're going to do test 1 here. Let's just move down. Okay, let's do flyers 1 speaking. Okay. Flyers 1 speaking. Let's put the pages together. Okay, here you have to find the difference, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to use the words in picture 1 and in picture 2. Okay, you can start.
In picture 1, not have many flower, but in its pictures do not have.
Okay, so let's say, I just want to write here quickly, she went off. Okay. Say again, sweetie, I was writing, just say again.
In picture 1, have many flower, but in pictures 2, not have flower.
Okay, in picture 1, let's write here. Let me type it for you. In the first picture, there are 4 flower vases. Okay, but in the first picture, there are 4 flower vases. You can just say 4 flowers. You don't have to say vases. In the first picture, there are 4 flowers. And in the second picture, aren't any flowers. In the second picture, there aren't any flowers. Okay.
In picture 1, have 2 plain. In picture 2, have 1 plain.
No, not picture 1 have. There are 2 planes in picture 1. There is 1 plane in picture 2. Okay. Another one.
In the first picture, the man is wearing a green shirt and a green pant. But
Okay.
in picture 2, the man is wearing a blue shirt and a blue pant.
In picture 1, the man is wearing green clothes. In picture 2, The man is wearing blue clothes. Okay, next one.
In the first picture, the clock is 3:30 minutes. But in picture 2, the clock is 3 hours.
In the first picture, it is 3:30. But in the second picture, it is 3:00.
In the first picture is sunny. In the second picture is rainy.
It is